I'm Daniel Bale.
And I'm Joseph Palmer, and we run Open House Pictures. So we're here today in our office, which is located at the Hallamai Lab.
Open House Pictures is a video production company based in Sheffield. We create online video content for businesses, brands, events and products.
We both set up Open House Pictures in 2018 after we graduated from university.
Spent a lot of our younger years filming videos on our parents' old camcorders. Even filming these masterpieces.
Oh, here we go. Look at that, egghead. Being a finalist at last year's Enterprise Awards was such a crazy but wonderful experience for us both. We were super nervous before we went up on stage, but in a way it was a great experience because it allowed us to dissect our business on a level we hadn't done before. Moving forward after the awards, we had a proper business plan in place and a model that we could improve upon.
After joining the Hallamai Lab, we've had nothing but great support from the Enterprise team. Everything from one-on-ones, workshops, business advice and grant money. The team have been nothing but encouraging and supportive the entire way.
Since the Enterprise Awards, we've continued to grow our business, working on more and more ambitious projects every single month.
We just launched a brand new website, and just recently we've partnered with the Spirit of Independence Festival in Sheffield. With the current coronavirus situation, we've been working a lot from home, so very occasionally we've actually been coming to the office.
But we took it as a great opportunity for us where we both sat down and really worked out what is the way forward for our business. So we used our time really wisely, and I personally believe that our business is now in a stronger position than it was when we went into a lockdown.
We've spent a lot of the last 2 years working with corporate clients and creating corporate pieces. So a big focus of ours over the next year is to really get our teeth into doing short films and producing narrative work. We can't wait to see what the future holds and what's around the corner for Open House.